And today we're opening an egg.
Egg.
Yeah. You ready?
Ready?
Alright, here I'll open the first piece and you open the rest, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Here, open. Yep. Go, keep going. Good job. Wow. Open it. Where's the kitty?
Kitty.
You gotta break it open.
There.
Can you open it? Here. Like this. Wow. Here, you finish it. Uh-oh. Where's Kitty? Where's the kitty? Right here. Hey! You're supposed to open the box. Where are you going? What happened to Kitty? Right here. Are you gonna open the kitty? It's good. Oh my goodness.
Here's the chocolate. She's going to see the chocolate and the kitty.
What happened to the kitty? Can I have one? Can Daddy have some?
I got one you already come back on.
Too stupid. Did Daddy have some? Did Daddy too? You brush your teeth after this, okay? Now you're gonna be jumping off the walls.
We're gonna go skip it.
Oh my goodness. What's that, chocolate? You gotta wipe your hands after this. And now that we finished the chocolate, we gotta open the kitty now. Let's open the kitty. Say hello, kitty. Here, get the kitty out. Can you open it? Where's the kitty? Can you help? You did it! Wow! What color's your kitty? Can I see?
Yes. It's kitty.
You got a kitty. Yeah, good job. Say see you later, everybody. Say see you later like this. Go like this.
Say bye.
Can you say bye, everybody? Say bye, everybody.
Toodles.
Can you say bye?